FS 250, Basics of Food Safety and Quality, is for anybody just wanting to get familiar with food safety and quality as it pertains to any type of facility, whether that's beverages or food processing facilities or even retail or food service facilities. We go over good manufacturing practices, what it takes to keep a facility hygienic and to have good sanitation programs, just to make sure that there aren't any pathogens or any other types of hazards in a facility that could harm public health. And the course also focuses on, just generally speaking, how those types of things can make for better quality when it comes to food and beverages and other types of products. FS 250, Basics of Food Safety and Quality, is part of the certificate program, so it counts toward the Food Safety and Quality Manager's Certificate Program. And with this course, you could go into a facility and make sure that it is compliant with good manufacturing practices, regulations, or if it's a food service or retail type of facility, that it's compliant with the food code, so that we're compliant with the regulations or specifications or even some private supply chain standards that the retailers are requiring of processors. We can make sure that the facility is compliant, and more than that, just making product that is not going to harm public health. After taking this course, someone ought to be able to help a facility, whether it's a beverage processor or a food producer, and help them to be more compliant with regulations and standards. So that could be a Food and Drug Administration Good Manufacturing Practices regulation, or a similar type of regulation from the USDA, or some sort of private supply chain standard that, for example, if a grocery retailer is enforcing on their processors that are supplying them foods, someone after taking these courses would be able to look at those specifications, standards, and regulations and help a facility be compliant, so that whenever the inspector or auditor shows up to inspect the facility for their compliance, they would be able to say, I helped this facility pass the inspection.